Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use flash notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go to your apps. So you're going to swipe up on the screen. Now go to Settings, scroll down, go to Accessibility. It says Voice Assistant, Mono Audio, and Assistant Menu. Now you're going to scroll down. Go to Advanced Settings. It says Manage Direct Access and other advanced functions. And you're going to go to Flash Notification. Alright, so once you go to Flash Notification, the first thing you'll notice is it gives you a preview. Now there's two different settings for this. So here's one of the previews, and if you scroll down, you can see another preview. It says, flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications or when alarms sound. Now you can turn on camera flash or screen flash, and you can turn on both at the same time as well. For this video, I'm going to turn on screen flash. Alright, so to turn it on, you're going to flip the switch to the right. Now you can go back out of the settings. Alright, now to give you guys an example of this, I'm going to send myself a quick email through Gmail, and then I'm going to show you guys what happens once the notification pops up on my screen. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Google folder, I'm going to go to Gmail, and then I'm going to go into Compose an Email. Now I'm not actually going to show you guys any of my emails, I'm just going to show you everything from the Compose page on. Alright, so I'm going to go to Gmail. Alright, so now I'm in the Compose screen in Gmail, and I'm going to type in my main email address, which is howtovideos77. Now I'm going to click on Done, scroll down. I'm not going to bother with a subject, and I'm going to go to Compose Email, and I'm going to type something random. I'm just going to write hello, and then click on the send button. As soon as I do that, my screen flashes once the notification shows up. Alright, so that's how you turn on flash notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video.